What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. We've got the big green egg going. We're smoking a turkey breast today. We had it brining for about 28 hours in Lane's signature brine. Highly recommended. I first used that quite a few years ago when I did a turkey for Thanksgiving. Big props to that. Love that product. We let it dry out, and then we seasoned it with some additional signature seasoning as well as a little SPG on there. We're going to be smoking it at about 275 for a few hours, and then we're going to make some turkey sandwiches tomorrow with it. Super pumped. Stay tuned. All right, so we brined it for about a day and a half. We took it out of the brine, and then we left it in the container to air dry, uncovered container to air dry for about 12 hours as well. I left the netting on because it's a turkey breast, right? And they kind of folded it all together. So we want to keep that all in one. So when it cooks that way, one, it's going to hold the juices in better. Two, it's just going to keep form and not kind of flop everywhere. We got the egg up to about 275. We're going to take the turkey breast and we're going to throw it right in the middle of the egg. I'm going to grab my thermometer. We're going to stick that bad boy in there and we're going to smoke it until it's 165. Today we are using the temp spike. First time using this, super pumped to try it. All right, you want to insert it all the way past that little line that's on there. We're going to close the lid and let it do its job. All right, turkey was on around 300 for, well, about 3 hours, I'd say. Just hit, ooh, it's hot. Just hit 165 internal. So now we're gonna pull it, we're gonna let it rest. Yeah, the color on this is absolutely beautiful. Great smoke, great smell. Super juicy. When I pulled the thermometer out, a bunch of liquid came out with it. It's looking awesome. All right, so the turkey that we made and smoked yesterday, we've had in the fridge because I wanted to make the most epic turkey sandwiches ever. Look at that. Ooh, baby. So, we're going to take our turkey. We are going to slice it nice and thin. And look at these beautiful slices. So good. So with these sandwiches, we have an awesome Tuscan loaf that we picked up. Got some local apples, cheddar cheese, honey mustard, and we're going to be grilling these bad boys out on the Blackstone. Let's go. Couple more slices. Look at that. Now that. Oh, wow. That is a really awesome turkey. Why buy it from the store when you can make it at home? 10 out of 10. Can't wait to have it on a sandwich. Let's go. All right. So we have the Blackstone heated. Take some butter. Throw it on the bread. Put it up in chunks so it cooks nicely. Okay. Ooh, okay. And okay. Now we're going to grab our cheese. Again, we're using cheddar today. because I feel like cheddar and apple go really well together. Sharpness of the cheese, the sweetness of the apple. We're gonna make it like grilled cheese. I love cheese. Cheese. Good cheese. All right, now we are going to take our turkey. We're going to start lining the bread with our turkey on one side. We're going to take our apple, and we're going to line the other side. Like that. Grab our honey mustard. Good apple, man. Good apple. Toss a little of that honey mustard on there. Boom! It's a good looking sandwich right there. We're going to take the bread and we're going to burn the snot out of her hand. Cover it. Ooh, baby. Take a look at that. Let me show you. Oh, sorry. I'll make you dizzy. Look at that. That is a good looking sandwich. Let these cook for a moment longer. Take them out and start eating. All right, we have our sandwich here. Beautiful crust on it. Boom, look at that. Woo! That is good looking. Baby!